Hello, welcome to Active Bryant Systems or Scott Bryant on YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn and Twitter. And this video is all about Facebook marketing to Google AdWords to Instagram. Right, with Instagram, if you're using Instagram to market your business and you're looking for the older clients, Instagram is not the thing to do because it's only from 18 to 24 year olds. How many 18 to 24 year olds can afford to give you £5,000 for upfront payment of training? Not very many. So with Facebook marketing, you might get a marketing company, fitness marketing company, contact you and go, right, it's going to cost you £900, then you've got to pay for the ads. There's a video down below that will show you how to do all that without you having to pay £900. Obviously you need a website. If you haven't got a website, you need to do this. And if you go to Google business pages, you can get a brand new free website that won't cost you anything. Now, I recently had a client sign up for that to get a free website, and they made money within 2 weeks from that website. So websites are not about how much you've got on them, it's about the message and whether people can get onto that website really quickly, call you, and then you meet up with them to do the deal or to get them to book you. Okay, so with Facebook, if there's a funnel and you're paying the guy to sort that out for you, you're happy to do that, do it, but you really will be wasting £900 when you can do it all yourself. So once you've set this up, with Facebook, you get charged every time your ad is shown, not every time somebody clicks on it. So it's a huge gamble whether you get anybody doing it, as in calling you or even going to your website. I tried it last January and I had 99 people go to my website and nobody bought anything. And the reason why is because January is when all the people go to the gym with these New Year's resolutions. 90.9% of them are going to give up and not carry on. And 90.9% of them, the ones in the gyms in January, think that they can do it themselves and can't afford it. Okay? So I got another friend of mine, he's been in the fitness industry for 20 years, that's 40 years between the two of us, and he says exactly the same, and he runs his own business, and he says he doesn't get any clients until the end of January. So it's really important that you get that marketing time right. Okay? Then the next thing you've got to think about is, what do you charge? If you're charging £20 an hour, then maybe Facebook would be a good place to advertise. But if you're charging £20 an hour, how many hours a week do you have to work in which to make enough money to pay your tax, your national insurance, pay yourself and pay all your bills? Now, if you're charging £20 an hour and you're happy with that, that's fine. But really, it's not a good thing to do, especially when you've got like a magazine, paper articles you've got to pay for, as well as keeping your website live on Google and all these other initial expenses that you get on top.